Hey, my name is Chad with Limitless Realty Group. This clip that you're about to watch is something that was very emotional for me the day that I found out that I was able to save my client thousands of dollars on a new roof because in this real estate market, it's very challenging for buyers to come in at asking price due to the fact that there's multiple offers on the same house, due to the fact that there were over 6 million houses that were not built between the years of 2008 and 2011, which is why we were seeing on top of the pandemic some of this other let's say overbidding on these homes that are available on the market that look nice and so on. Anyway, I was super excited for my client. As you can tell from the video that you're about to watch, where I'm just kind of emotional when I found out that we were able to solidify the offer with the new roof from the insurance company, and that things were able to kind of take off in the right direction after so much effort, so much work went into negotiating the contract to get a new roof. We had to work with the homeowner of the homeowner that was selling the house for them to activate a policy on their insurance so that we can come back and basically be able to provide an opportunity for my buyer to get a full roof replacement because he came in on a $500,000 house. He was $15,000 over asking. And so by the time we got all the way through that process, my buyer was honestly about to give up. Steve, that you're about to see me talking to, he was frustrated. He was ready to give up. He was cursing. I've never heard him curse before. He was frustrated with the process. And I was just like, look, we're going to get you a new roof. Well, fast forward, he was able to put a brand new bronze colored metal roof on the house, and it's beautiful. So just the point of this is that, behind the scenes, a real estate agent, in order to represent you, they need to know what they're doing. They need to know the ins and outs of, whether the roof needs to be replaced, whether the foundation needs to be worked on, whether, it's not our job per se, but it's also our experience level that comes into play, very, very much so, dealing with some of these opportunities in terms of making sure that you're getting the most for your client. And that's why I fight so hard for everybody that I work with. I treat all my clients like their family. Anyway, he was super happy, as you can tell from the video you're about to watch. This was kind of some of that journey, and thank you guys for staying here. Appreciate you.
Guys, I'm so excited. I gotta take off my glasses real quick. I'm tearing up right now. This is raw. I just saved the dude. I just got a house. I just got this guy $15K off. Let me back up a second. I got this guy basically $20,000 towards his roof, paid for by the seller slash the homeowner slash the insurance company, and it's a lot of work. I basically had to coordinate effort between 4 different heads of companies, like the head of a bank, the head of an insurance company, the head of the seller, right, the homeowner that's selling their $500,000 house. By the way, this isn't just some small roof. My seller, or my buyer, my client is getting a new roof, and he's getting a metal roof for $20,000. He's basically getting a $40,000 roof for $20,000 because he's gonna upgrade it and make it look badass with some freaking nice. He's gonna make it look badass with some nice bronze-colored metal roof on his beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,700 square foot house, minutes from the lake. It's a beautiful house. I'll show it to you guys here in a minute with the testimony from the client, but it's just really awesome. It's really amazing that I was able to pull this off. Not many agents, A, have gone through a transaction like this, B, could facilitate the solutions required. I won't even get into that right now. There was a lot of back-end work between coordinating effort between the listing agent, the homeowner, my buyer, the roofing company, the mortgage company, the insurance company, coordinating them to the end. And I'm here to tell you, we fucking did it. This is a big deal. This is a big deal. A lot more to come. All right, what's up, guys? Just got here to the title company. We're about to go inside, and Steve and Kim are on the way. I'm excited for them. So we're gonna see how everything plays out. We still got a few minutes before we have to go inside. We already have that one in there, so they can also help answer things.
That was very thorough. You did an excellent job for us.
Yeah, from the very beginning.
Thank you.
Would you guys?
He definitely did all the extra work.
Would you
Probably
guys?
did the other agents' work
Yes, you did.
as well as his
That's a
job.
great plug. We'll take that.
Would you recommend Limitless Realty to your friends and your family?
Would you recommend them? Sure. Yeah, friends and family. So you help them out with the process. Okay. And that's it. So we just wanted to get that. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you for going this mile.
Hang in there, man. And we'll be in touch.
Yeah.